learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you things associated when you say, "Oh no." 好糟糕了，怎么说？
快雷
或
者惨雷。
There are two ways of saying, "Oh no," "Oh crap." I did something wrong or I forgot something, okay? It's an expression that you make. And here's a situation that is very sticky. 常常我们出国的时候，第一件事会问说护照有没有带？OK， 好，护照检查有带了，到了机场才发觉
过期
那就更糟糕，你知道吗？那种过期比没带还要糟糕，
上不了飞机了，
就飞雷了。OK， When we take a trip, we want to make sure you have your passport, but also make sure it's not expired. All right? So let's teach you this situation. 护照 passport.
护照
Okay, that is a passport.
那海陆腔护照是护照。
护照. That's a different dialect for saying passport. All right, let's say you didn't bring the passport or your passport has expired, so you can't go abroad anymore. 真的有时候泡汤了, all right? It's all down the drain, okay? But in Chinese, we say 泡汤了, which means it's soaked in water now, okay? 泡汤了怎么说？
抹太
Motere 真的就是汤是不是？
不是啦
Motere
就是没有了，不
没有了，
对啊，
okay.
就没有了。
国语会说泡汤啊，好像要去泡汤好舒服，可是这个是 motere，就是没了，糟了 ，everything's gone. Then maybe we have to delay the trip， 要延期了。那延期怎么说呢？
延期
啊。我都去啊，只好延期 again.
延期了。
That's delay it. All right, let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases, and let's go ahead and teach you how to say, "Oh no, my passport has expired." 就是糟糕了，我的护照过期了。
惨嘞，我的护照过期耶。
过期耶哦，就是过期了哈。惨嘞 ，Okay, that means oh no.
我的护照
that means my passport.
过期耶。
过期就是过期了，
对，
这样听起来太高兴了。
那就这样子讲咯，惨嘞，我的护照过期耶。
That's right. That's the tone when you found out that your passport has expired. Let's review all these phrases. 护照 passport.
护照
and then it's over. 泡汤了。
motere
and finally delay. 延期 and it's all about oh no. 飞雷惨雷都可以。That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
按字say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.